Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to import stock data like Apple's share price into Google Sheets step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know how to take stock prices from the web, save them to your computer, and effortlessly bring that information right into a spreadsheet. Whether you're tracking investments or building charts, this simple workflow will make handling financial data so much easier. So let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to open up MarketWatch in your web browser. MarketWatch is a popular, reliable website for checking financial data from all around the world. Just type MarketWatch into your search bar or head straight to marketwatch.com. This is where we'll find all the historical price information we need. Opening this site is like walking into a library for the stock market. Pretty much anything you want to know is there waiting for you. Now, once MarketWatch is open, it's time to search for the specific stock you're interested in. For this example, let's use Apple, but you can do this for any company you're curious about. There's usually a search bar right at the top of the page. Go ahead and type in Apple or the company's ticker symbol, which for Apple is AAPL. As soon as you hit enter, you should see the stocks page pop right up. Don't worry if you're new to stock symbols. It's just a shorthand way websites identify each company. With the company page open, look for something called historical quotes or historical data. It's often found under a menu or in a sidebar. Clicking this lets you see how the stock price has changed over time, yesterday, last week, or even years back. This is really helpful for all kinds of analysis or just satisfying your curiosity about how the stock price has moved. Now here's the part where we actually grab the numbers. On the historical quotes section, there's usually an option to download data. It might be a button or a small link near the chart. Go ahead and click that and your browser will download a file, usually in CSV format, to your computer. CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a common file type for data because it works so well with spreadsheets. This download might only take a moment, but if you're on a slower connection, give it a few extra seconds. And don't worry if your file downloaded to the Downloads folder, it's easy to find in the next step. Next, let's bring this data into Google Sheets. Open a new or existing spreadsheet in Google Sheets. You'll want to go up to the File menu and choose the Import option, usually near the top. This tells Google Sheets you want to bring in data from somewhere else, not just type it in yourself. A window will pop up letting you choose a file. Now just click on the Upload or select a file from your device option and look for the CSV file you just downloaded from MarketWatch. If you're not sure where it is, it's most likely in your Downloads folder. Double-click it or hit Open, and Google Sheets will take care of the rest. After a few moments, you'll see your stock data appear right in your spreadsheet: dates, prices, everything neatly lined up in columns. From here, you can sort, analyze, make charts, or do whatever you need for your project. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment if you've got any questions or run into any trouble. I'm always here to help out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy tech and tutorial videos just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy spreadsheeting.